Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I was playing around and made a video about how to make this, and then I thought that'd make a pretty good, like a paint splatter with doing the same thing, same way, a little bit different. Take a star. I'm going to go ahead and hit P, put it in the center page. It doesn't really matter. Now let's add some points to the star. Doesn't really matter how many, maybe an odd amount. Go up to object and convert it to a curve. Take your shape tool and select all the nodes and go right here to convert to curves. And then right here, you get smooth nodes. And look at that. Now, if I would have done beforehand, let's just kind of back up till we got a star, and let's just take the shape tool and take some of the nodes and, maybe you got to think about what a paint splatter would look like, and take some of them off center and just some of them longer. I strongly suggest you don't do every other one so it'll look, more real. But then just take your shape tool and select all your nodes, go up here and convert them to a curve, and then get right here and look at that. That's a pretty good looking paint splatter. And then fill it in with a color. I'm going to take away the outline. You don't have to do this part because that looks good enough on its own. But if you go to effects and bevel and just bevel it a little bit, it'll kind of look three-dimensional. That might be too much bevel, but if you look at it on a blue background or a orange, yellow background, and see how those are kind of different. So then you could take it and duplicate it and mirror it maybe both ways. So you wouldn't want to do both ways that way. But then you could just make it red. It's still going to have the same stuff. Hit the plus key, and you could have some on top of the other one. And let's make this one green. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.